Today I'm making a classic Jamaican dish, ackee and saltfish, very quick and easy, full of spice. Let me show you how I do it. Start by scalding off the saltfish in boiling water, then flake into bite-sized pieces. Definitely need some chopped onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, a touch of scotch bonnet to add some of that Jamaican spice. Fresh picked ackee is always the way to go, but let's see how this can one turn out. Preheat some vegetable oil, saute your saltfish for 2 to 3 minutes. Toss in your veggies, let them saute until they get soft and fragrant. Add some extra flavor with some fresh thyme leaves, then add the ackee. Finish with a sprinkle of black pepper and crushed pimento. Now gently fold in the ackee. Do not stir too much, you don't want to mash them up. And there you have it. Cheers. A cold glass of lemonade. I'm having this with some fried festival, ackee and saltfish, our national dish. You can choose your best side dish to go with this. What's your pick? Subscribe for more classic meals and I'll catch you in the next one.